Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a car dash camera.
A car dash camera made by SURFOLA. Car recorder. Alright. Why don't you unbox that, Annalisa? Let's take a look at this car dash camera.
Ooh. Look at that.
Ooh.
Is there paper? Here it is.
Yeah, get some film on the front. Let's get a good look at this. Nice. 1440p. So it's better than high definition 1080p. All right. All right, Annalisa, what else you got there? You got a manual, user manual, a quick start guide, and should have some cables and a mount somewhere. Oh, a lot of cables. All right. What kind of cables we got there, Anna?
Car.
So is that? Oh, okay. That's your port for the car. It goes right into. We used to call it a cigarette lighter, but it goes right into your DC connection.
What is
the other end attaches to your dash camera.
We have this.
Okay. So you get a USB connection at one end, and that type of micro attachment at the other. And you have your mount, a suction cup, and
we have this.
And what that is a device to reset the camera if you ever need to. That little pin will reset it.
Ooh, there's more stuff.
Now I can't. Uh-huh.
There it is.
So that will go on the back of your car. You can mount it in your windshield, I guess, and run the wire all the way through. Or you can mount that on the roof of your car. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that with my car, but that's nice to know that that is available. That's screws. Pretty cool. Yeah, and there's some screws. Screw right into the roof or wherever you can.
We have this piece.
And that is, I've seen one before. We will find out. We will find out what this is. So Annalisa, what this is, for that second camera that goes in the back of the vehicle, this is to pull the material aside so you can hide the wires on the car. So that will that little end right there, just press that into your fabric and run the wire along there. Okay, so on the top of your dash camera you have a USB port that connects to your car's cable to the DC socket, and this port right here, that's for your rear camera. You run the wire from the rear of your car all the way to the dash camera, and it plugs in right there. And this little notch right here, that's for attaching your suction cup mount. And on the bottom of the dash camera you have your microphone, and you have the little notch where you reset it if you need to. So on the left side of the dash camera you have your power button, you have a lock button, you have your mode button, and this is your OK button. And on the right side of the dash camera, you have your port for your micro SD card, or some call it TF card. And you have your up button, your menu button, and your down button. And of course, on the back of the screen, you have your display screen and your charging indicator and your status light. So our dash camera is all set to go out in our car and be mounted on our windshield. All right, we are out here in our car and we're ready to install the SURFOLA dash camera. Jinder, why don't you go ahead and plug that in. There you go. That went in nice and easy. And if you peel that plastic off the back, it will be all set to mount on the windshield. There we go. SURFOLA. On the top is an OK button. We need, it's set for English. Oh, the date, and I don't even know what today's date is. Yeah, it's 21/10. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. Why don't you go ahead and format the card. There's an up on the other side of the dash camera. There's an up and down button. Go up, right. Okay, here's the top one. Formatting. Alright, our dash camera is formatted. And we will figure out the date and time later. But I think we are recording in 2K. And that should be plenty. I am going to take the dash camera to work today, and we will record in both daylight and nighttime coming home. Alright, so let's check out the footage of the dash camera. Here I am pulling out of my driveway, and as you can see, it's a nice, crisp, clear, sunny day. But as I'm driving down the road, check out the field of view. You can see from one side of the road to the other. And the footage seems to be nice, crisp, and clear. And we're driving down, and there's nothing obstructing our view. And here we are on the highway. Now we're driving a little bit faster. But you can see that car passing me on the left. Easily, as soon as he comes into view, other dash cameras would be more focused on what's ahead of you, but with a wide field dash camera, you can see from one side of the road to the other. And that's very important. Alright, so let's check out some footage at night. So now I'm coming home from work. Our dash camera's on, and I've got my lights on low beam. This is not high beam, but the exposure